Hello, this is Valerie, and today I have the bunny feet belly box, and we're going to put it together. This is a little treat box for Easter, and it's just big enough to be able to tuck in some Easter eggs and other things for your holiday. So we'll begin with, we've got all the pieces laid out. We have two parts to the box, and there's the back piece and then the front piece. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start putting these pieces together. And first thing, we'll attach the layers. The box has layers on it, and these layers are really great because it really adds a lot of strength to the box, so you can have a real sturdy box for your treats here. And I have this squeegee that I like to use when I'm putting on big flat pieces like this. And so we'll have him on first. And then the next layer for this is going to be the backing for the eyes. So the eyes and the mouth show through. And that just goes on, lining it up along the little edges here. Put that on. And then when we put his face on, you'll see the holes are punched through already, cut on the machine, so that you don't even have to draw them on or anything. Already in the right place, and you put that on there. And his little eyes and mouth show through. And then we have his nose. I already put some pop dots on here. And when I'm using pop dots, I sometimes go through on the edges before I take that last piece off. I'll color it with my Copic markers, so like when you're looking at the box from the side, you won't see the white pop dots. It blends in a lot nicer. So we're just going to put his nose right on there. And the next is going to be the ears. So and I tuck that right up against the top of the head there. There we go. And now we have his tie for the front, the bow tie for the front of his neck here. And that comes in 3 pieces. And so we're just going to layer those on. And you can line it up right on the edges. And then the top knot. You know, I think I'm going to go ahead and add a pop dot to the bow tie too. Just add a couple little pop dots here. And line that right up there. And so now the front's done. And now we're going to do, or excuse me, that's the back inside. Now we're going to do the front. And the first thing we'll do is put on the panels. And this is the side of the box. And that'll line up with an even edge all the way around. And then the front part of the box, his belly and his big feet. And now for the feet. When I put this on, it's going to line up exactly along where the toes are here. And then we put the little carrots on. And the pointed part of the carrot bottom is going to be pointing down. Right about there, and then, whoop, I dropped him on the floor. So the big one goes right in the middle. The 3 toes are different sizes, so I go big one in the middle, medium one over here. You could do it the other way. You could give him a big toe. And then the little pinky, where they're not so little pinky. Alrighty. Okay, so we have the front and the back ready to go. And what we'll do is start by folding along all the score lines. This is the, like I said, the front of the belly box. And so it's going to go up like this. And these are going to be the sides, and we'll glue the tabs when we're ready here. And then the back of the belly box, this tab is going to be folded forward. The first thing, we're going to glue these 2 tabs to the front. So I'll put the glue on here, and then I find it much easier to put the front face down, bring these side tabs in, and be able to press it down right on my work surface. There. And now this tab. This is the same size as the inside of the bottom. So this just really adds a lot of durability. So I'm going to put the glue on the bottom here. And then I'm going to slide it in, just like that. And we also have an optional liner for the bottom of the box, which is fun to add a different color, or you could add some printed paper if you want. It's nice to see that surprise pop of color when they are taking their goodies out of their basket. There we go, and now we're going to fold those 2 tabs in, put some glue on these, and just like we did on the front, we're going to put this face down. Whoops, I got some glue on there. And we're going to bring the box down. We're going to line it up there, and then I'm going to, whoops, just press down. And my finger there to get a good secure hold. And the same on the other side. There you go. And that's all done. And now he's got 2 little paws here. You could add the paws here, or like I did on this other one, I put his paws on the side of the box like this. And what I also did is I put pop dots on the back. So we're going to attach it this way. And I'm just going to add that right about there. And then the same on the other side. And there you go. He's all ready to fill up with the Easter treats. Now, if you wanted to add a message, you could take this layer, the first panel for the back of the bunny, and you could make a duplicate one and put it on the back here and use that to write your message. But there we go. It's the bunny feet belly box. Enjoy.